name is Toby. We are a group from Germany. I'm 37 years old and we're having a very good time here in northern Pakistan. As for global warming, it's very important. I think most important thing is the tourists themselves, that they take their trash with them, you know. We go to these mountains, but it's a very sensitive area. So that's why it's very, very important to not leave any trash behind. I think it should go out without saying, but unfortunately sometimes people, they leave behind their trash. But that is what we can do also ourselves. So that's one easy thing we can do. So we take the trash with us down from the mountain. So there's the saying, you only take photographs and you leave nothing behind, you know. So that should be for all tourist groups. So we can enjoy this nature for many more years and this beautiful landscape.